Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So my name is Helena, and today is another day in the life of a medical student vlog. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and feel free to share my videos. So this week I spent time doing different clinical skills. So here I was practicing how to take bloods and also cannulation, and as you can see here, this is my prep with all my equipment, including my mannequin here. Then I got myself a cup of tea and also some snacks before I headed back to the ward. So now I'm just making my way back to the ward. And also on my way to the ward, I found this really cute teddy bear with a mask on. So this was a couple hours later after being on the ward. So I went to a computer room. I had a few things to print out, and I spent most of my time here doing other things too. So this is the next day, and I decided to go to the library to have a change of environment. So I spent most of my time just in the library trying to make some notes and just completing all the tasks that I had for the day. So next I watched a video on YouTube by QuesMed, and this is all about medical emergencies. So they have single best answer questions, and you can answer it and watch tutorial where they explain each answer, which is very helpful and highly recommend it for medical students. I was thinking that, but
slow molecular heparin will take a while if it's already deteriorating.
And warfarin will take a while.
Yeah.
That's ruled out.
The bigotron needs an initiation.
So IV, and this is like an emergency as well. So
yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Adrenaline, I don't think that's suitable. Yeah, he's well scored pretty high. 26 PE.
Great. So it seems like the correct answer. So what you wanted to be doing is IV thrombolysis. Oh, that is correct.
break, and I'm about to have something to eat. But I really like the sun here. So this brings me to the end of my video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Feel free to share my videos, and if you do like vlogs like this, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.